Most wells today are completed with future wireline work in mind and have a series of receptacles or landing nipples included in the completion string. These landing nipples are designed to permit specific locking mandrels, nipple locks, to be installed in the nipples. Most subsurface controls are installed using this equipment.
A landing nipple is a short section of pipe which is threaded on each end and installed as part of the tubing string during completion of the well. The landing nipple is machined with an internal profile to provide a place for a locking mandrel to lock into the nipple to anchor a subsurface control, as shown in these cutaway nipples. The nipple is also machined with a polished area below the locking profile, which is called the packing bore. The packing bore provides a smooth surface on which the seals of the locking mandrel can seal for pressure control in the well bore. Some landing nipples have an additional profile machined internally to locate the running tool for proper positioning of the lock mandrel during the running procedure.
The most commonly used landing nipples are available in two different types. These are selective landing nipples and no-go landing nipples. Selective landing nipples are essentially unrestricted nipples. Several selective nipples with the same internal diameter can be installed at different depths in the same tubing string. These nipples are called selective nipples because once they are installed in the well bore, we can select any nipple in the tubing and install a specific lock mandrel in that nipple.
What must be remembered is that the nipple, the lock mandrel, and in some cases the running tool used to run the lock mandrel together comprise a system whereby this selectivity is possible.
For every selective nipple system, there is a compatible no-go nipple that is designed to be used with it. A no-go nipple is a nipple that has a restricted ID as compared to the selective nipple of the same nominal size. Because the nipple is restricted, only one no-go nipple of a given size may be included in the tubing string, and it must be run beneath all selective nipples of the same nominal size for the completion to be compatible. A lock may be run through the upper selective nipples in the tubing until the no-go nipple is reached. The nipple is called a no-go because once the lock reaches the nipple, the shoulder of the lock no-goes on the restricted ID of the nipple, preventing it from passing through the nipple and simultaneously positioning the lock mandrel for setting.